All right, guys, what's up? Good morning. What's up? What's up? Hope you guys are feeling good, doing well. Welcome back to another live session. Day number 4. Where's Ricky, man? Ricky, I tell you. Ricky in the depths. Day number 4 of the team house. And CRVO has come back to give me the green day I deserve. I look forward to the opportunities and the festivities. Highs are at 748 yesterday. There's Ricky. Ricky, mic us up one time, brother.
Let's do the.
I already did it, brother.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Mic us up. I would say don't risk it, Tim.
Yeah. Maybe just like close it out a few times and restart it. I don't know. Sometimes it works for me.
Just take it easy. Probably just take it easy the first 3 minutes, and then
It just sucks when you make like 2K in that first minute.
Yeah, you're not wrong, man. But also, sometimes I get bad. So.
Yeah. Sometimes I just open the POS.
all right, guys. There's 3 stocks. I did post a watch list. I can post again in the alert section. CRVO continuation and CCLD are the top 2. They're looking pretty good. I'm hoping that CRVO can get to like 10 or 15. I think would be amazing for us here. We did a great study session last night. I think all the boys are feeling sharp, feeling ready. As usual, we're going to look to manage risk to the best of our abilities and capitalize on the key momentum. Looking forward to some good front side trading. Got to get mic'd up. Guys, the content from this trip is going to be better than any content we've ever produced by miles. So in terms of the game plan for the day, I think taking it slow is going to be key. Starting off slow, making sure to get a good bearings, and then as we see good opportunities, get aggressive early, capitalize. And the biggest thing for me will be walking away early once I've already gotten my good green day. Twice, yes, yesterday I ended up going from green 1400 to flat, over trading throughout the rest of the day and the backside. So once I get my green here today, because I know I will go green if this stock is strong. There is no question about it. I'm looking to shut it down early, and what I have to do is remove myself from this trading floor so I do not get enticed. That is the goal. So we're looking to lock it in. CRVO, CCLD, looking pretty good. Small size first. If the momentum happens to be choppy, we'll ease off early, wait patiently for something strong. So CCL.
Well, we got CRVO continuation play. And I'm still looking to keep on this straight and things go good off open and size up a little bit and keep doing good. But if not, I'm getting ready to have the whole day just change and
CCLD, we got a high of 250, a low of 218.
smart about it and just look for the sense on work and not get in front of everybody else is doing great and I'm just not touching moves, just pretty easy.
Really fight the markets, right?
Have the long-term mindset, so that's my plan. Good.
Ready to float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. 3 minutes 30 seconds to CVRO till greatness. We had a guy visit the house yesterday that was up like $500,000, guys, in one day. Craziness. There's really a lot of different levels to this trading thing. $500,000 in one day. That for me right now is a great year. And someone is up in one day $500,000. That's all I need to know. That's all I need to hear. Now that doesn't mean I'm gonna go take 100,000 shares today, but what it does mean is that there's greater potential and possibilities out there, even utilizing the same platform. He's trading the same stocks we're trading every day, bro. He's just loading up size in some key areas. Yeah, everything's looking pretty decent here. So far, so good here, coming into the open. Don't forget as well, if you're tuning in on YouTube, to hit that thumbs up. If we can get up there to 200, 300 likes, that would be awesome. Hit that thumbs up as you're tuning in. We got a ton of traders here. Mr. Jarvis, what's up, what's up? Gazelle, what's going on? Just one more, what's up, Brad, Infinity Trades. See you guys tuning in. Alamo, Marcos, Alan, what's up? North, what's up, Matt? MDJ, what's up? Yeah, so shout out to the YouTube live stream. Hit that thumbs up. We got a minute to the opening bell here. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Got a couple seconds to the opening bell. Let's rock and roll. Let's trade smart. Let's trade to the best of our abilities. Let's be disciplined.
Anything else?
Just waiting patiently.
Oh,
Bit of a false breakout right there. Easing off for now.
LFW is helping.
Bit of a slower start, not seeing too much yet. LFWD resumption, we'll see what happens in the next couple of minutes. LFWD will be resuming at 37:21. We got about a minute. I'm gonna prep for a resumption. And got halted up at fair volume, which I like. 37:21. Right about a minute. Oh, 20 seconds really.
There we go.
I don't want to chase it here. I'm gonna wait. LFWD pulp resumption.
200 to 71.
Highs at 67.
Got resistance to.
Yeah. I'm watching for dips. Oh, that was a bad fill. But that's okay. Good to know. LFWD. Let's see if it's able to push through the resistance over 60, 67. I want to see back down to 54 if possible here. The fills are not great trying to get in here, so I got to be careful. Oh, lovely.
Stop.
It's trying. Struggling though.
If this one fails, watch it that it's one or two. That's when it might be check here, but that is the reaction. So, yeah. Maybe 250. That's a lot of fucking flags.
Right.
Oh my god. It's not on this thing. It's gonna be the next one.
There you go.
It's gonna be the next one.
Another fill in 50.
Probably should have held that trade there, but might feel a little higher than I would like. But should have probably still held it.
I don't need to sell, bro.
Yeah, I should have held that trade. Oh. Mm.
He did say the next candle.
Told you, bro.
I should have held that.
CRBO's kind of
No, I blinked for a second there.
under 270.
Mm. Some losses there. The high's at 95. Oh, exit, maybe a little bit of a too quick exit there. Oh. Oh. Too much chop here, it's not bouncing, man. Giving back too much for this dip. Perhaps we see a 5-minute pullback. Gave back way too much there for that dip. Should have sized down. Unbelievable, man. Can we see over 80? Oh, getting blazed.
from here.
No, you're good, you're good. I ended up going red, giving back on this
Like that.
this backside drop here. It's pretty good though. It's moving all right. So watching from over like a 5-minute pullback, see how it bases out.
You playing both long and short, or just
Honestly, yeah, if I can get, if I can like recognize a good dip, I'll go short for like a quick flush. But up here, I thought it was still bullish, so I was still trying to long on the pullback.
yeah. It's kind of brief for a second.
Yeah.
I like
The same thing. Yeah, the same spot. You don't care about this one?
I'm gonna utilize this as like a starter position to see if it ends up holding up.
Yeah, so that's where it's fighting. And see that is also fucking sick.
How much was I up? 700, 800? Fucking hell. Got a little too tunnel vision, just felt like the stock was still good for, flag and breakout up here, which just did not work. The stock feels a little crowded. But that was a good move up. We caught it, small size. Oh, are you kidding me, man? This stock is ridiculous. Me too, bro.
That swing RT. Unbelievable.
It did look a little dicey, but I guess we could have held, right?
15 cents off. You know who's feeling that?
Instant rejection to instant move back up. Threw me off a little bit.
That's not clean.
Oh.
February start. I was up like 1 2 on Friday. Yeah. I was down like 50 days.
I'm on the line, but I'm still going to see how it is. My favorite was that day. I bet you see
Like that. Really seeing different beats right here.
I just filmed this guy make 30K.
30K? Oh, wait, bro.
Yeah. Can't hear the sound of the whales. I told you I got inspired yesterday. I'm like, I'll push this thing.
You pushed it for the bebop break? That big one came?
Yeah. So when it got rejected, I knew that they were not gonna break it down. So I added the 250 in. So I don't know what it is. They might go for the 260. But
How did you know they weren't gonna break it?
I just really the way that it kind of soaked the 250, I feel like it wasn't meant to flush for it. But like Arthur was saying, that it should have really went $3, and I feel like it's crowded. Like recently the price after maybe coming. People are telling.
Right. Yes, crowded. Put 280s in it.
There's your deal. Oh shit.
I'm fine. Wow, that's enough.
So you ever read my has a one
I'm trying my best to stay composed. There's always stuff on the high sauces.
CRVO, CRVO.
It's all far so good. You're in the green and you're sitting on cash waiting for the next. They probably set it up.
Here we go, here we
He's
go.
done my luck. So I think he's coming up.
Let's see. Let's follow.
That is fine.
Sure.
CCLD control. Okay.
It's okay. That probably be right. I had like a hobby for one point.
Beast, bro.
That green, that big green, I got 100 plus for it. That is fire, bro. But that fucking not 200 good. It was so way far from it. Oh shit. That's what it's like.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, RGC voltage. It's so raw and so easy. RGC,
RGC voltage?
Like me. there's a big one. I don't know how strong it is. That's it, yeah.
Hopefully, we can see something here. RGC salted up. I'm not sure how this one is in volume. Let's double check.
Uh,
58, 58. So it'll be 03, 58. Ay, ay, ay.
Wow.
About a minute for RGC.
September.
Yeah, but on the volume, honestly, we'll have to see if it's gonna be any good. I'm gonna go small size first. Not gonna trade it with size unless it like the first trade is good and it looks like it's gonna continue. So there's another 30 seconds to resumption. It's showing 8:30, but that might not be accurate. 7:15. Let's see if it does resume here.
Oh man, is it crazy?
Yeah, no resumption.
Might,
Yeah,
it might resume on that.
Yeah.
Watching out for me. It is slow for you.
CRVO, we took a $300 loss here for the 1 minute candle, making new high, no good. LFWD is fighting here for 50, but struggling. Oh, could have took that. That was a good bounce.
Alright.
BON. Let's see. BON looking like it could be good. How's the volume? There's volume. Yeah, BON could be pretty good. Let's see. 7:32. Oh, 7, yeah, 07 and 32, so 2 minutes for BON. It's cheap stock. Oh, 858 versus 08, no, 0732. There's like a 40-50 second difference between the two resumptions. RGC tough resumption. All right, here we go. We got about 20 seconds if my math is any good. BON. Ten seconds, 150. All right, here we go. BON. I'm gonna add over 40.
Just take your
We're gonna add over 40. Ooh, that was close.
Yep.
This might be cooked. This might be cooked. Cooked city, brother. If it flushes down again, I'll take a dip. But it looks like we'll take the $200, but just choppy stuff here today. BON, no good. Unless it gets over 4. I mean, it's still trying. There's 35.
Under 30. How about under 30? Leave to the moon.
Over 40. Let's see. There's a hidden seller or something there, so let's see how it does. There's a small bid. Small bid is filled.
Oh, that's what we do.
Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, that's.
Flush down some more. Flush. Can we see 45, 46 for the bounce? Scratch trade.
Still want some, right? Or just do like so small. I'll finish all that.
Everything is selling off here. Right now we're flat on the day.
Yeah, I should see. Honestly.
Honestly, I wasn't talking that much. I was talking to Ricky. I've been quiet today, but I'll unmute the mic.
Like when you see Steve, he's not just at the pound and he really makes golf.
Yeah, that's true.
But there's Steve. But and even if he watches Steve tight.
Big Steve, the monster, the mini monster, one of the best in the game, keeping it tight.
Yeah, no, that's true.
Big Steve and the brothers from Florida,
Yeah,
bro.
no, you got it.
Those guys can be up 20K in a day, and the biggest red day, 500. I needed to double my position on 50 to have more shares.
And how many of them go down 10, that would be great.
Yeah.
Like, if you find that the stats are like 50,
I'm gonna try to add back.
it makes sense because.
As long as we don't see a retest of the lows here right away, we could add back.
So if you find like 20% of the go from red to green, but 80 of them go to green, and then 2 pairs of something like 2 green pairs that you can wrap it to
Yeah. Should have been immediate there. Appreciate it, my good sir. My eyes are getting cooked, so I gotta put on the hat to help. Were they making anything yet? Or are they down there? Oh. I'm holding, Tim. I'm holding with diamond hands from 47, brother. Yes, sir, Big Tim. Big Tim, it's gonna go, brother.
That's it right there. Beautiful, beautiful. That's it, RT. Bang. 60.
Bang, bang, brother.
What kind of size you pushing, brother?
Only 4,500, brother. Still holding 15.
Good. I put him at 32, but should have 9K.
We are slacking. We need over 64 though, over 63. It's like struggling here.
What stock you guys talking about?
LFW as well.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Waiting for the green on the tape. It's holding 60. Can we hold? Can we hold? Bro, we should have ripped right there, bro. We should have went to Sky High University. Risky business, Jeffrey. $500 loss. Nothing holding any levels, man. 60 resistance and 60 becomes support? The answer is heck no. Jeez. Ready to. So tough to hold on to the green, but
I just keep trying.
how's our 5 minute looking? Definitely a little choppy with the topping wicks. Big Steve, market is telling me to ease off, slow it down, so I'm gonna size down here. I'm gonna start sizing down until we see something else, man. Only struggling until the next hot day, Big Steve. Don't worry, coming soon. Can't seem to build any proper momentum here.
No, I was really in that. I actually got.
Alright, the plan for me is to take it slow, sizing down right now and just waiting until we see some more obvious strength before I go back up. Don't want to just push size on the sideways grind here. But I do want to pace myself, give myself a good chance in case something does come a little later. But for now, just taking it easy.
Probably good on the
RGC, nice red to green. Volume though is in the slums. I will probably leave that alone.
You never have your own.
Here we go. He's fine.
Yeah.
What's the dilution tracker saying on LFWD?
Same value.
I think it was long. 275 is monthly. That's monthly.
company may be selling on us here.
No, they need that. They need the difference 275. So that's the goal for that.
We need Classy Beam to take 500k shares, push this thing up for us, but go in like a madman, his entire account. Risk it for the biscuit. We need Warren Buffett to start buying this thing. It does look interesting.
Whoa, 36 better. Yikes.
If it flushes below 30, I'm going to take the dip. Only 1 cent below the level though. Can get more of a drop. Might be basing out here. Watching for like 35. Tight stop. $33, $28. That's a bit of a better drop, but oh, 14 to the slums. All right, this is where I switch on to something better.
Why do you just think it was a good idea to have a tight stop on that one?
Yeah, just in case it was going to do exactly what it did right there, which is to give a bigger flush. You want to, of course, keep it tight. That way you minimize the damage. And on a stock like RGC, if this one happens to be strong, we can maximize after some nice moves. Halting up here, actually, 879. So that's pretty good to see. I hope it gets locked in and become the next hot stock here today. And I can be set for the nice, beautiful dip and rip.
What's up?
RGC. Spreads are crazy is what I'm hearing, so I'm gonna just use maybe 1,200 shares to start, and then probably size up to like 2,500 if it's good. But typically I'd use, if I'm being aggressive, maybe 3K to start and like 5K max on this type of price, but not gonna go that aggressive here.
And go like sell up another
I think if this one is weak, I'm gonna take the gains, shut it down for good. If this one is weak, taking the gains, and I'm leaving. I refuse to have a repeat of the last 2 days. If I keep doing the same thing over and over and expecting change, that's insanity. So if this one is weak, we hold on to our green. That's it. I don't care if the team house guys even have to take my laptop and move it to a different location. Doing what needs to be done to ensure success. Now, on the contrary, if the stock is strong and we do have good fills and it's moving well, we can pace ourselves, try to build some momentum on it. But once it starts to show some weakness, we want to ease off, size down, be careful, be wary of the pullback, and then go from there. So pattern-wise, we had a bit of a red to green, and we've curled up over 850. Looking at the daily chart, this could potentially give us room up to, 920, perhaps 987, maybe 1230s. So I'm gonna mark out these levels and just keep in mind that this thing, if it happens to be strong, we could potentially see some good action here. So we'll see if it's able to get above 9 and continue with its strength here. What I want to see is a smooth move through 9. Resumption time, 37 and 19 seconds. So we got about 2 minutes. Yeah, so waiting patiently for resumption, we have another minute and 30 seconds. RGC. Waiting patiently. Yeah, I think it depends. Like if it's strong and it continues, then we'll keep trading it. But if it's just like an opportunity or two and it's done, then that's it.
That's right. I'll buy it.
And I'm not gonna trade it unless I see the pattern, the setup. 20 seconds to resumption, roll repeat. 20 seconds to resumption, ticker symbol RGC, watching for the halt resumption, dip and rip. 10 seconds, looking to keep it tight. We're at 879. Okay.
That's it.
Oh, I got crap fills. I should have made at least 1K. I bought early too. Should have took that dip at 9. Oh, that was rough, bro. I think I got a little distracted not getting the entries, the fills. Missed the dip at 9. Oh, there's a spread. The spread there a little too big. That was a brutal one. Could have been a nice dip, but the spreads for me.
47 now.
Great fill here. Looking to give this a chance. KB. Where's KB? Right here, right now. Bounce like the wind. Paper hands. Oh no, I did not. Oh no, I did not. Oh my god. Okay, I'm done. Taking my gains and running.
Let's go, bro. Let's go, man. Oh, what?
What? That was BS, dude. You guys saw that?
Bro, what?
What was that, man?
Let's go.
See, I took the dip and then this thing halts down. I sell, it then rips up to a new halt high, man.
You think you were gonna get all the way down?
Yeah. Dude, that sucks, man.
Are you streaming your camera too?
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
Mine probably killed it, bro.
And the spread.
It's nuts.
So crazy.
Watching the dips is still strong.
Very split stock, so I had to take it smaller size. But got really good trade at small size, which is amazing.
Yeah, bro. You talk about
Bro, the dip I took before the haul down was the dip. It just didn't stop going down and then it rips up.
Bro, I thought you were fucked.
Basically,
Well, no, because you had sold already, right?
bang.
Yeah, I just hit the sell just in case.
Well, no.
Come on. Bro, I'm making not. It's frustrating. It needs to halt up again. That way we can get short sellers really, panic. Bro, I that first trade I made like 1,000, bro. And then I got distracted not taking that dip at 9. Big mistake. Looking at dips here. Looking at dips, tight stops.
Yes, but it's not negative. You know, for me, it's more like it's starting to push me.
Ricky, get a few clips of that convo, brother.
But I also have
1066.
so that was a huge blessing for me because now I can
Halt up, please. Let the short sellers feel some pain in this weaker market. I need them to suffer the consequences. what was that 46? It's kind of extended here a little bit, so I want to be careful. That's why if it can halt up, it'll be good.
I had my biggest loss be $500, and so far right now we're looking to trade RBC. He's a very volatile stock, and my hope is that it gets folded up. Because once it gets folded up, we're going to be buying that big out of our hold the company so nice profit. We're now sitting on hands, and they start trading is waiting, so it's all going good.
Are y'all all in this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm in there now, so I'll chat with y'all. What's those names again?
I'm trading with Tim. Alright, then if I just don't get
Oh, I got filthy ass. Should have hit the bids. Damn. I had my hotkey ready to go too.
Ah, that's how you say. That's how you spell it. I thought it was. I was like, yeah. So I thought this was Johnny. I was like,
That's hilarious.
oh man, but it's see.
Shafi Alonso, brother.
Yeah. What's the name of the district? Enzo. Enzio. What about y'all's names? Obviously, Mike.
Jude the Dude.
Jude the Dude. That's. I don't remember that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, you watching Luka Train narrative?
Bro, I'm watching everything like a hawk right now. Below 22, anything below 30, honestly, I'm scaling in. Oh, false breakout.
I haven't traded like this time in a while.
Oh my gosh, it's kind of tough.
I'm not used to it.
It might go. It should go. It should go. It should on, and it's not.
Yeah.
Dude, it's tough. Bro, watch this. Hold up. I dare this thing to keep going. There's money to be made here. You're made for this.
I mean, the only time that I
drop, I went
You better not hold down. Oh, I didn't take it, man. Alright, I'm raging. I gotta stop. That was a great dip. I didn't sell 1020 thinking it would keep like I was waiting for some more green on the tape to sell. What did I get filled? Let's see. I'm in at 69 and I didn't take 1020. Bro, that's ridiculous, bro. I hit the bid on that flush. I don't know why I expected more. This resumption should give a bounce. Big Steve, listen to the breakfast menu today, bro. Today we're repeating Monday's menu, which was my favorite so far. We're doing New York strip, pancakes, scrambled eggs, bacon, and fruits on the side. The breakfast menu, guys, the content that's coming is going to be insane. I know I keep saying that. We've spent some big bucks on this trip, and I need to recover. I'm in the red after this trip, bro. My bank account down like 30K. Minus the car, I'm down like 60K plus. I'm going to go bankrupt until the next green day. No, all jokes aside, it is the most expensive trip, but as you guys know, I refer to it as a prepaid expense. We plan the trips months in advance, and everything is organized. I actually want to trade this resumption. Let's see. 51.42. 51.42. After this, I'm done. 500 shares, small size. Actually, I'll use smaller size than that. I'm gonna do 250. Not looking to be a hero here. I'm just looking to catch a small bounce because we did go from 11.20 to 9.54. We should see maybe at least a 40-cent bounce after a gap down. So I'm probably going to insta buy the stock under resumption. Very risky business. That was pathetic from me. I'm done on the day. I'll take my 400 bucks. I got cooked in the spreads and not focused on resumption. I'm done, so gave back 200 off the top right there. Not good. With 300 shares, that's pretty pathetic. But anyhow, that's the day for me. Not making the mistake today of sticking around and giving everything back. No. Yesterday, green 1400 to red 160. The day before that, green 400 to red 170. Today, we will not make that mistake. But that resumption right there, I shouldn't have traded it because when it opened, I wasn't really paying attention to the spreads. The countdown was a little off. It's a little loud in here. I thought we had like 8 seconds. We only had 2. So that'll do it for the day. All right, guys. Let me know if you have any questions here. And we're going to shut it down soon. I mean, you can write, of course you can write everything off as well, but it's still an expense, I think, that's how I look at it. Yes, I'm minus 59,600 right now, as of today. Until I am reimbursed in multiple ways. My car got sold. The reason why it's 60,000, my car was worth like 30,000, and it got stolen. My car got Grand Theft Auto'd in the last like 2 weeks. Someone. So by the way, this is just general advice. You guys can put trackers in your cars if you're like newer. I didn't put a tracker, so that's why I missed Monday last week. By the way, is because I had to like deal with all the police stuff, the reports, and everything else that goes along with that happening.
Are you serious? No, you're not.
But
I didn't listen.
it's all part of the deal. These things happen in life. You never know. And I didn't put the tracker on my car because it's like you're not thinking anything's going to happen to your car, but you know, or you in general, right? Us as people, but it's always good to just, you know, have the redundancy in place. So it's good to have the redundancy. So you guys can put trackers in your cars, especially if they're newer, or push to start. Just like general tips. But honestly, the way how I'm looking at things, like in the next hot streak, with the size that I'm going to be pushing, and with the size I'm going to be pushing and how aggressive I'm going to be, like all this stuff is just a formality, right? The gains will have no choice but to come. The Lambo money will be here. One of the guys that came to the house yesterday, man, you guys should have seen the cars. A couple of traders were from the local area. It's pretty insane stuff.
What do you see on the level 2 that
We're supposed to rent out some supercars, but I don't know if we'll do it. It depends, like on the vibe, like how the guys feel. We kind of need a bit of a better guide for this area. We're hearing a lot about Old Town, Phoenix, but we'll see. We were supposed to go to the Phoenix Suns game, but probably not going to go. So the boys, I mean, the house is nice. Some of the guys, they kind of don't, you know, the vibe is off. It's like, hey, like, let's just stay home today kind of thing. So I had a Infinity Q50 Red Sport edition, the Red Sport 400. The Red Sport was gone. I went out to an event, came back out to my car in the slums. Some of the guys that live over here, like some are hyper scalpers, some are like longer holds, bigger size, that kind of thing.
Yeah. I feel like it's just one of those things that
I have two cars. I actually have two cars. The newer car got stolen. The Hoopty, the one that's like on its last legs, is the one that I still have. So I'm gonna keep driving that thing till the wheels fall off. You know what? There's a chance Ricky Gutierrez might be coming to the house actually. But I can't guarantee. The place where we're staying, the host mentioned that he has a cousin that trades and teaches futures, which is what Ricky does. He didn't mention the guy's name, and he's like, yeah, so I invited him to come check out the house, like our trading setup, right? Our trading floor, really. So he's like, he'll probably come today or tomorrow. So it'll be interesting to see if the person he brings is actually Ricky. If that happens, that'll be pretty crazy. If not, it's just some random guy who's trading futures. Yeah, insurance, we'll see what insurance say. They're not really saying anything right now. They're saying give them like 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Maybe the car turns up, which I doubt, because I actually got some footage. These guys are like professional, man. Like they knew what they were doing. So the car is probably in the slums right now. It might be an ICT trader. Yeah, I mean, I don't know Ricky Gutierrez at all, but you know, if it happens over time, then why not? Bro, the car is freaking in Mexico or in freaking Nigeria by now. The car is in DR or something, I don't know. Or it's driving around New York City, right? Because that's where it happened. The car could be driving around in New York City right now.
Like,
Hey, I'm gonna go look for the video. You guys here?
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Monday, Tuesday, I did good, right? So much mental capital was just making that $10 and $20. But then, I have a day like today, yesterday.
All right.
Very small.
Let me know if you guys have any quick questions.
All week,
If not, you're out like out. A little disappointed in the $200 loss at the end, especially with just 300 shares. But I got filled at like 10.25 in the spreads, and the stock was down at like 9.60 instantly. That's brutal. So finishing up like 440, which is what we should have done the last 2 to 3 days instead of over trading.
So, for me, it's basically been a cool market. My spread
Yeah, Be the Trader is also at the house. We're gonna be doing some filming and stuff. There was another big trader that was supposed to come, but their schedule wasn't there. wasn't allowing them. They were like busy with something else. Crispy is not on this trip. Crispy is doing some big things, man. Crispy is a very busy guy right now, working on multiple ventures. So he's also working on some other projects. Wasn't able to make it. Yes, they are Ubering it. Read it, Mark. I'm not sure what that comment is saying. Are we using Ubers? Is that what they're asking, dear? No. This is a secret. I don't want to reveal the secret until the time comes. But it's like bigger YouTubers and stuff like that. CS2 venture. Oh, that's funny. It's funny. Marcelo even reached out to Ross, like, hey Ross, like, if you want to come to the team house, just say so. Tim, how much are you up? How much are you up?
2K.
Tim up 2K. Save, how much are you up? Save up 11K, but was at highs of 25K and had a position of 100,000 shares today. This guy is a monster, man. I'm aware of the areas of where he's taking size, but for me, it's gonna have to be a mindset shift to be able to take that type of size where he's taking, because I had 4,500 shares in that area, and I ended up selling scratch. It's a different type of mindset. He's definitely looking at more bigger picture entries, and I couldn't even hold the trade 4,500 shares for the 25% move, right? Because it's one of those areas where I said I should have held that trade. I sold it like 2-cent gain or flat, but he's in there buying, and then 2 minutes later when the stock does go, there's the reward, right? For those people who are disciplined, patient, and have the risk appetite to take on that huge position. Yeah, the only thing is that I don't know Ricky at all. Like some of these other traders, I had interactions with them at like seminars. Like I met the Clover traders. It wouldn't be that like wild if we were to meet up with them at some point. We've met Beat a Story. We've met Humble Trader. We've met Marcelo and these guys have met Ross. They were former like Warrior students. Marcelo, Tim, they met up with Ross once, like a while ago, 2-3 years ago. So it wouldn't be that unheard of to see those type of people. But someone like Ricky, we haven't like met at all, and we never really spoke. So it might be a little bit more far-fetched. I can message him on Instagram. I have a bigger following there. But I mean, we're not. It's cool. It's okay. When the stars align at a conference or a random seminar somewhere. We did meet Stephen Ducks before too. I met Stephen Ducks in New York at a Clover seminar. He came, he spoke. He's a beast, man. He's a monster trader as well. I think like 10 million in gains. Some of these guys are some real big boys. Sal?
You all finished for a day too? Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna shut it down, guys. Stay safe, stay green, enjoy the rest of the day. If you're still trading, be disciplined, be patient, and I'll catch you guys later. Tomorrow again. Hopefully, we can see a hot day to finish the week. Right now, if I had to guess, I was red 800 Monday, red 160 Tuesday, red 160 yesterday. So I'm down like 1100 there or 1200, and today we're only up 400. So we're like red 800 on the week here actually. As mentioned, yesterday I was green 14 at the highs, and this kind of like over traded, bled out, kind of gave into a little too much FOMO of the guy still going the distance and like forced it. Because I ended the live stream I think at like 800, or 1K, 900, somewhere there. And then the day before, which was Tuesday, green 400 to red. Monday we didn't stand a chance because our setup was not configured properly, so we had issues there with our layout, our hotkeys, those type of things. But yeah, so stay safe, stay green. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Once I get home though, best believe, bro, watch. I know I always say this, but what's today, the 13th? Watch from when I reach home. I mean, not even Monday, but tomorrow, and then I can't wait for the 17th and the rest of the month. For those of you who've been here the years, I don't want to do too much talking, but just know, man, I like to refer to myself as the best in the world, and we'll continue to work towards that goal, that dream, and our trading is going to continue to get better, continue to evolve. If we can go from $50 a day to 1,200 a day, we can go to 5K a day, 10K a day. We can keep improving, but we got to put in more work, more time, keep studying, and do more. I think that's the key, is to do more, to do even more than we've done before in the past, to give ourselves the chance to keep excelling. So let's keep pushing. Let's lock it in. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hit that thumbs up. Stay safe. Stay green.